guys, I'm back here with Millie. This is is it your third lesson?
Yeah.
It is your third lesson, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so hour 5 and 6. Last week we worked on what? Do you remember?
Roundabouts.
Roundabouts.
Lots of roundabouts.
Lots and lots of roundabouts. Anything else?
Junctions.
Junctions, yeah. So we were really focusing on them, getting them done over and over again, making sure that we were in the correct gear on approach, looking nice and early, not staring. And I think personally you had a fantastic lesson. So what would you like to get out of your 2 hours today? What are you hoping to achieve?
More roundabouts.
Yeah,
Definitely. And probably just being more confident on the pull away because I'm fairly slow.
okay.
So just kind of getting out and doing it.
Lots of moving off and stopping. Actually, what's really good for that kind of practice is traffic
Yeah.
jams. Sounds boring. There's a lot more to it than just start stop, but that really kind of heightens your clutch control massively. What kind of, when you say roundabouts, what are you hoping to practice with those?
Definitely kind of road positioning on the roundabout because I seem to be kind of especially yesterday.
Is that
I
when
seem
you're
to
on
kind
them?
of yeah. Like if I'm going on the inside lane, I seem to not be close enough to the curb. Then I don't want to get in people's way and
Okay.
block both lanes. You know.
So primarily, third exit right, fourth exit all the way round, right turns on the roundabouts. Okay, so yeah, we can absolutely work on that today. Anything else?
Not that I can think of.
Okay, well, if anything else does pop up, then we'll obviously work on it if we have to. But yeah, I think we're good to go.
Right.
So we're going to be brave today.
Oh,
Remember,
God.
I've got the dual control, so if I need to use them, I absolutely will.
Right.
But we are going to go the slightly more difficult way. I need to try and challenge you.
Right.
And it also helps with finding your bike quickly. Sometimes when you're under pressure, you just lose it all the time. And it's like stall after stall after stall. I want to see how you get on when you don't have quite as much time to emerge and see how that is.
Right.
If you're slow moving off, that's absolutely fine. The only thing you want to do then is once you've straightened up is really go for goal. So like straight down on that pedal, straight into second, lots and lots of gas to get up to speed quickly.
Right.
I don't mind if you're moving off slowly, but once you're on that road, we want to get up to speed as fast as we can.
Right.
Yeah? Challenge accepted.
It's gonna be great.
Okay, right. Let's turn right out of here when you're ready.
In gear. Oh, I don't like this.
So it's nice and clear from the left. You've got plenty of time. We've got a Volvo blocking, obscuring our view from the right.
Not very helpful.
I can kind of see if the rule is
kind of through the window.
yeah, that's actually the trick. If you can't see through it, look around it, over it, under it, but you can see through this one.
Yeah. Right.
Nicely moved off. Wave goodbye to Daddy. Bye, Daddy. When he's like, don't make eye contact. Yeah, your mum's very proud of you.
Yeah.
Lovely to hear. Okay, well, there's not as much room as we'd like.
So do I stop behind the cone?
Yeah, I probably would, to be fair. Yeah, I just think we would be a hindrance for any larger vehicles coming into
through
the road.
That was my thinking, and I was like, I'm gonna check just in case.
Oh, good thinking. Good thinking. If you were the white car, though, I would suggest you move to where he is.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the traffic lights may not register that you're even there.
Right.
Can you read how many way control it is? Is it a four-way control?
It's a four-way.
That usually means it's going to take quite a while.
Yeah.
I know. So I'll let you know at the end of this road, we're going to continue straight down New Road.
Right, that's fine. That child just threw something.
He did. Lots of naughty kids around today.
I know.
Summer holidays. Mine are at grandma's at the moment.
Oh.
They stayed there overnight, but they got really naughty with their bedtimes.
Oh no. Right, that's fine.
Come away from the cone. Good job. That's it. So lots of gas now. Into second. And again, lots and lots of gas. You want to get the car moving forwards. It's not going to race off with you, I promise. Jerry wishes.
I was actually going the speed limit when I was out with Mum yesterday. I was
Don't
felt
look
like I
down.
was racing.
You look like, my gosh, we're going so fast.
Oh, this is like
It is, yeah, we're prepared.
oh one day I'm gonna catch air on that.
I'm just going to put my hands in the air. Righty, so coming up at the end of this road, Millie, I'd like you to turn right.
Oh god.
Okay?
I've been avoiding this junction.
I'll talk you through it. Do you want support from me?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
For the first, yeah.
Okay, this is your first time, isn't it,
Yeah.
merging on here?
It is
Okay.
indeed.
So that's a no entry. So what you could do already is mirror and signal.
Oh,
Going
wrong
the other way. Yeah.
Nice
So
one.
you're just going to keep slowing it down, but try and get it to the lines. That's it. We're going. And now you want to go down on your clutch to prevent the car from stalling. Bring it to the lines, as close to them as you potentially can. Beautiful. You're going to pop it into first straight away. That's your go gear.
Yeah.
Lovely. So we're assessing the situation. We can't move off as quickly as a lot of drivers, can we? We're a bit
No.
slower. So we're going to wait for a nice big gap which
Might take a while.
appears from both sides. So it is a bit too busy from the right at the moment. So I'm going to start looking to the left. And again, it's too busy. This guy's going to come in. It's not going to take him quite as long. Lovely. And we're clear again. So we've got a white car turning in there, but it's too busy to the left again. What speed are these guys doing on this road?
Oh, good question. Well,
From the right they're doing it 40, yeah, but from the left the majority will still be doing 60. So we're just looking both ways and trying to figure out which side has a big enough gap. It's very busy from the left. Okay, so after this black car, you will have a gap from the left. Okay, so you're going to start looking to the right, and then you'll have a gap after the van. So what you're going to do is you're going to set your gas now, and you can go. Right, clutch down. Let's give it another go,
Try that
and
again.
we'll just go after this one. So you're going to move off now.
Even if I can't see what's coming. Oh, I'm fine.
You can
that's
see, yeah.
fine, isn't it?
Good, well done.
Out of the junction. Go.
Out we go.
Oh, that was.
It is hard for a lot of drivers coming out of there. I've been stuck there for a good 10 minutes. You know, if it's not possible to go, then it's not possible. It would have been ideal had you moved off first time without that van getting then annoyed, but that's life, that's learning to drive, and you just came out really beautifully. So when you say, is it okay if I come out without being able to see? No, it's never okay.
I was going to say, he was next to me and I was like, oh, what are you doing? It's quite stressful.
You did
It
well.
reminded me of that roundabout in Fording Bridge where people started overtaking me. I was like, oh my god.
Let them overtake, honestly. You've got your little job to do. This is your world. It's your safe space. Okay? And we're taking the fourth exit. So on approach, you immediately want to start thinking about the mirror and the signal. Everybody behind you now knows that you're going to start moving over. And this lane is where you're going to stay. Okay? Again, you're using your brake really beautifully. You're slowing the car down to the speed you like. Now slow the car down to the gear it needs. Well done. Good. Now remember, just because there are things doesn't mean you can't go. You want to look nice and early, and then look back again, nice and early. And the answer is no, you can't go. Okay, so you're going to get it to the lines and move it straight back into your go gear. Well done. Put that signal back on.
That way.
Yeah.
It's got more lines. Interesting.
Okay, so that lorry is leaving. The caravan is leaving. All of these moments you want to think, actually, that's when you want to get going.
Right.
The van's coming round. Can you go after the van? There is a Millie. Don't worry, you take your time, okay? This black car is coming and the white car is coming after him. So maybe come off your brake now.
Oh, I don't like this.
Let's try again after this one. He's leaving the roundabout, the white van's coming round. What about now?
I think we can do it.
You know, we're taking a little too much time,
Nope.
sorry. Let's try it again.
Oh, Lordy.
Okay, and now you want to go.
Right. Oh no, I've missed it now, haven't I? Oh, that's really painful. Yes, I know I'm trying.
Don't worry, don't get stressed by them. What are they going to do?
Be better learner.
Try
I've got
again
my
now.
brakes on.
Well done. Good. Lovely job. So lots of gas, and you want to move it into second because that's going to give you a lot more freedom. Okay, one-handed, you've got this. Well done.
Oh.
So remember, we're taking exit number 4. So we're going to keep it over to the right, and now you're going to mirror signal left and move over into that left-hand lane. Lovely. Move it over straight away. That's it. We don't want to be in that lane anymore. This is our lane. And follow the curb around. So keep your eye on the curb to the left, and that will encourage you to keep over as much as you can. Well done.
That was something.
Honestly, people beeping their horns, it goes in one ear and out the other with me.
Yeah. This is quite stressful. I always feel bad. I'm
Don't
too
feel
much of
bad.
a people pleaser.
Yeah, don't be a people pleaser. They're not, honestly, you're out of sight, out of mind now. They're done. They've forgotten about you completely. The majority of people who beep are the ones who are further back in the line and they're not sure what's going on. So
Yeah.
they're like, beep, beep, what's happening? The white car behind was being very patient.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, white car. We appreciate
You're
it.
nice. Unlike the people beeping at Alana. Honestly, even like Dad said, since I've had kids that have learnt to drive, I will not beep at learner. I'll just
Oh, bless.
I'll let them take their time.
Oh, bless
Thank
him.
you, Father.
Yeah, we appreciate that.
Otherwise, it's just too stressful. Just people beeping at you left, right, centre. I
It's
know
the
I'm in
ones
the way.
who beep and have kids sat next to them in the car. They're the ones that really upset me because I think in 3 years' time, that little chap sat next to you is going to be in exactly the same position. And you wouldn't want that happening to your, precious bundle, would
Yeah,
you?
no. You'd be rather angry if someone beeps at your child.
Yeah. So coming up again shortly is another roundabout. And at this roundabout, we're going to be turning right, taking the second exit. You've done this one before.
Yes.
It's quite a small roundabout, but there are 2 lanes on approach.
Right.
Okay, and what we've also got to think about is this junction here to the right. So we don't want to mislead anybody and make them think that perhaps. I would actually leave it in. Yeah, don't worry about that just yet. You're jumping on those gears, aren't you? You're like, oh,
Yeah.
slow down.
I thought I saw the signs and I thought it was there, and I was just.
If you mirror signal right now, that's it. Now start using those brakes. Be really heavy with them. Into second. Good, well done. Can you go?
To go.
Oh, lovely.
I'd say so. Oh, hello. There we are.
Good job.
Big man. Right.
That's kind of like that's why it's so important to stay in the middle of your lane all the time. Because if you skimmy over and something's coming that's a bit bigger, it's going to scare the life out of you.
And you're going to overcorrect.
Yes, yeah. Good, so we weren't doing 60, but I wanted you to get it up, nearly to 50 if you can. Because in a moment, we're going to be doing what? Slowing down. Very good. That's when we check that mirror. How close is that car behind? How much time do we have to slow the car down? Have we got loads of time? These are the questions you want to be asking yourself when you're driving. actually. It's a really good one to practice on. You're going to be turning right at this roundabout. It's the third exit. Okay.
Right.
Now I know you mentioned you were a little worried about not staying close enough to the roundabout, so I'll keep an eye on that. Okay. What comes first? Now that you've got the sign, that's your cue. Well done. And then it's position, so you're going to get left of centre. Good. Now the car's doing a nice speed. You might want to change down though. Good. Well done. Off that clutch again. It is, yeah. And you can go. So at the moment I see that you're slowing down a lot unnecessarily because you're seeing things.
Right.
This is ours. Check that left mirror. Really, really important because somebody could have came on the roundabout thinking we were going all the way around.
Right.
So really important those mirror checks. I actually think, just take this corner for me first.
Yeah.
Slow it down. That's better. I actually think your position was very nice on that
Right.
roundabout. I can't see a problem. I'll get you to do it again. And keep an eye peeled. What you are doing, like I said, is stopping quite unnecessarily, or not stopping, but slowing down excessively.
Right.
And there's various reasons for that. But I think the main reason is you just see cars and you're like, I'm not sure if I can go.
Yeah.
Is that because of a lack of understanding about roundabouts?
I think it's just like nerves.
Nerves.
I don't really know. I don't know. But yeah, just like, oh, if I go and something goes wrong, are they going to go straight into me? Or if I don't go, is someone going to like get angry? But that's less important because they can bottle up their feelings. I can't bottle up pain.
We're gonna take the next road coming up on the left-hand side.
Right. That one there.
Yeah. I'm not seeing those mirror checks. Very naughty. Where's the brake? Where's the brake? Ooh. What gear should we be in?
Second.
Keep braking. Bring it round. You need to come off those pedals now to regain control of your vehicle. And what you're going to do is find somewhere to pull up on the left-hand side whenever you're ready.
Right. I think I need to go in a bit more.
Do you?
I
Do
said
you?
I don't really know. I think it's probably fine. I think I'm probably just overthinking it, but
You're definitely overthinking it, yeah. No more than a drain's width. You can see the drain there in the distance.
oh yeah, I didn't actually spot that.
You don't want to be any further away than that, but you are probably half of a drain.
Right.
It's perfect.
Right.
It is absolutely perfect. So you're going to secure your vehicle now,
Oh, okay.
and then you can come off your pedals and relax.